Wow. Congrats to all the BHAT holders. You guys have freaking diamond hands I have never seen in my life. It's insane. You guys went up 81% after hours at the high here. Yeah, I'm reading the news. This is going to help a lot. Your purchase of 1 ton of gold, showcasing the effectiveness of its strategic positioning. That is really nice. We have right here settles agreement with via share issuance. Okay, so yeah, the chart's going up big. I will show you this, guys, right now. The price is at a high of 0.640. It can go higher for sure, but I will say that the EMA 20 is at 0.698. This oftentimes is going to be big resistance. We see it right here. Come down. It could easily come down here, and we're getting really close to that big resistance. Can we make an uptrend? That's up to the bulls and how they want to take this up. I know they did have a delistment, and a lot of the times higher risk, higher reward, right? They have they've been under 10 cents. They've received a Nasdaq delistment notification, and then they come out with this. So something they're definitely doing, trying to recover. It is China, so do keep in mind. I would not be surprised if they can do the massive pump. Chinese, they had the biggest dumps, but we all know on the flip side, I've seen the biggest pumps too with them. But yeah, this is what I'm seeing here. It's definitely downtrend. EMA 50 top, EMA 20 at the next level, and all throughout here, there's not really much you can do. Okay, as price is just going to keep going down and down, and every pump is going to get shorter. You see how when we hit this 20, it doesn't have to be precise. It can't go a little above it like this, but as all you can see is everything is going to get shorted down by the algos. But yeah, if you got in early, this is looking really good. 3 cents and you're already up. Almost look at that. 3 cents here and you're up 68%. We're coming into that 83% mark here. I think this is a really good area to honestly take some off the table. But I can't get around it. This is completes the purchase of 1 ton. Boosting the assets by 25 million. So, wow. This could shift a change in trends there. You can see the 15-minute. Now you have the EMA 5 at the top and the 50 at the bottom. So we just need that daily to eventually catch up to that, right? Could we get all the way up to this EMA 50? There is a big possibility. Usually what happens is when news comes, it goes through all technical levels, okay? When news happens, depending on how the market reacts to it, this could blow right through the 20. I'm just saying it's not a bad idea to take some off the table and leave some at your break-even point. I know a lot of people bought way up in this region here, and they're still waiting to get revived, okay? Because a lot of influencers were pumping it here, it pumped down to here, and you can see, even all throughout here that you're probably not even gaining money. So unless you bought these last 3 candles here, these are the people that are winning. And how convenient, according to the strategy, this is what I teach here. We do not buy BHAT when price is right on this EMA 5. You wait for that time distance, wait for price to come back up, you get close to the EMA 5 to take your gains, and then when it goes back to this EMA 5, we know these are selling points, right? The 5 and the 10. It has a lot of resistance here, and guess what? When you're right on the EMA 5, this is the riskiest thing, and this is what can happen. Bam, drop down 32% in a heartbeat, and we had this doji looking candle that is literally perfectly to a T, go down a little, and we are way up here at the EMA 10 for sure, and we're coming close to the 20 here after hours. Can this sustain? We'll definitely see. I just, obviously, if you're in the game, I would definitely take some out. If you were down from 6 cents and you held this thing all the way to 3 cents, I don't know what to tell you. You just got freaking massive diamond hands. You must have really believed in this company. You must be like, holy crap, this thing's going up. I'm break even now. Oh, man. It's got a lot of volume here. Literally 10 million in 15 minutes came in right here. So, yeah, I know a lot of people are happy. And I'm happy for you all, too. I hate when people lose money. This is really nice. Just, my one tip here is just avoid buying it right here on the EMA 5. When you see this pattern, sure, it can go up, but a lot of times you're flipping a coin. Up, down, But now that you have the EMA 5 time distance, you can see the consolidation pattern that I look for. You can look for candlestick patterns right here as a doji, and then coming back down to clear support. And this is what I like to look for, and this is kind of what I posted a video about ADTX. I don't know if anyone's in that one, but same pattern that I show is we are coming into this consolidation form. This one's a different, setup here because this is due for the EMA 20 way more than BHAT, and you can see like the kind of the same area of expertise there. And once you start seeing that pattern, a lot of the times you can really get oversold patterns, get this big bounce up that are due for this 20. This one's definitely due for the 5 for sure, and you can make some good money. Who would, obviously if news comes out, then the sky's the limit. No one really knows where it's going to go. But this is a good area to take profit right now. As, EMA 20, you're looking at, it's at 7 cents. It got really close. And a lot of the times it doesn't have to hit it. It can get really close. It could just go down to EMA 10 when the market opens on Monday, go down a little, and then, do its thing. But, is this thing getting over 10 cents? We'll see. Is it getting over $1? I think that's going to be really hard to do. It's going to have a reverse split, to stay compliant. It needs to have a reverse split. It's been under 10 cents for over 10 days. They're probably trying to get above 10 cents here, but we'll see. We'll see what happens here, guys. We'll see. There's a lot of people buying it, a lot of retail traders. Happy for you all. If you guys want to see my exact alerts, see my system and how I get my chart set up, like in all this, click the link down below in YouTube comments below and in the description. It says join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, all you have to do is click day trade alerts, and you're going to get access to my swing trades and day trades for an all-time low cost of $12 a month. You guys are going to love it. It's never going to go up in value. If you go in now, you're going to be grandfathered into a $12 rate. And I liked this one before. I made 10% using this system here. Obviously, no one can expect this massive news coming, so that was even better. But a lot of the people that did listen to other people, they bought this thing when it was 9 cents, 6 cents. They're still not in the game yet, and hopefully this puts them in there. But if you hit day trade alerts, you'll get access to everything. You're going to know when to get in, when to get out. You're going to understand why you're taking trades. Watch all the day trading education videos. It's not going to take you long. I try to update it according to, as time goes, what I see better fit. Watch the swing trading education videos. I put a lot of time into this stuff, and I think you guys are going to like it. If you do subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. And like I said, hit day trade alerts, $12 a month. And if you have an Android, you will have to do it on your computer to avoid that fee. BHAT, congratulations, guys. Just want to make an update. This is your sell zone. Hope you guys take advantage of it. And we'll see what happens on Monday of next week. See where it goes. But this is a nice sell zone. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.